Hello guys, today we learn how to change the font color based upon the value through switch conditions in SSR. To implement this, you will require SQL Server 2012 SSDT tool installed for SSRS. To implement this, you have require SQL Server 2012 SSDT tool installed for SSRS and Visual Studio 2015. Let us see how our output will be. Like you can see a report like item name, unit price in lakhs and total price in lakhs. But here you can see have total price different color of font like this green, red, black, and also you can see the green and then orange. So this can be achieved in SSRS to different color of the font reports. First we here see how can we develop a report, then after that we apply this thing so that we can get the output. What is the steps need to follow to develop a report? Let us add a shared data source and establish the connection to SQL Server using credential database. Second step is create a data set. We define the SQL queries, and if any parameters are required, then we write the SQL query with parameters. And third step is create the report and design the report. Drag the dataset fields, for example, employee ID, employee name, and etc. from the report data pane to the report design surface and format the report as needed like tables, matrices, and chart, etc. Here you will use matrices, sorry, tables. Here you can see that we will use switch condition. Now let us see the switch condition. How? What is this? In the SQL Server Reporting Services, the switch function is used for conditional logic. Within the expressions, it allows you to evaluate multiple conditions. It allows you to evaluate multiple conditions and return a value based on the first two conditions, similar to series of nested if statements. Let us see the syntax switch. You can write switch equal to switch, then boolean expression results, boolean expression result 2, boolean expression result 3, and the for result. You can put the boolean expressions and it will execute from top to bottom. If no condition is satisfied, it will get the for results. Let us see boolean expression. The condition evaluate 2. The condition to evaluate like field name greater than 10, or you can apply more condition and result the value to the return of the corresponding boolean expression evaluate to true, and the for result an option result to return if no condition evaluate to true. Now here you can see, suppose you have a field called total price and want to categorize it. So let us see how can we define switch statement like fields not total price dot value greater than 10 and less than 20, then it should be color the green, and when greater than 20 less than 30 it will color the dark orange, and if greater than 30 and less than 40 it color the blue violet, and when greater than 50 and less than 100 crimson. So that's where you can use this switch statement, and also you can change according to your conditions. Now where when to use switch for multiple conditions that don't require nesting if it makes expression cleaner and easy to read. For complex or multiple logic checks, switch are more maintainable than the writing multiple if conditions. Here you can be applying conditional logic in the expression for color already ways you can see, and in the case of if conditions, doubly fill unit price dot value greater than 1000, then green otherwise is print red. Now let us see with the real example. Now open Visual Studio, go to File, New, Project. Here you can see Intelligence Reporting Services. Then select. You can change the name of this project like SRS color text. So you can put according to your projects what you have good name. Mean convention. Now click on OK button. So here you can see that three folders already will be created. Now first step you say that you can select create a share data source, add new item, data source. Now click on add data source 1 and here type SQL Server. Then here you can see connection string. Now click on edit and put here server name. You can put your server name. In my case, server name is simply my computer's name. So paste here. Now I have taken Windows authentication and now take the database test. Now click on OK and again click on. So here you can see that data source 1.rds will be created. After that you need to create dataset, add new item, click on dataset and add. So here you can see dataset on already there. Name of the dataset 1 and data source this one. Now I want to use query, so go to query designers and from here you can get the table name. In my case table name is like car price. So car price here you can see table. Now click on add and close. So here this is the select from car price. So simply what is required you can write your own query like here. Like select item name, unit price, quantity and total price from car price. Now run this through the run and you will get the result. So here you can see in bottom panel you get the name, unit price, quantity and total price. Now click on OK and again click on OK. Now you can see data set will be created. After that you need to create a report and then design. Now click new items, then report and click on add. So here you can see report will be created. Now I have to design the report format. So need to go toolbox and in toolbox you need to select like tables, drag here. Here need to select dataset, fields option you can see parameters. In fields you can see 4 space will be here. Now click on OK. So here you can see design format like hidden data will be created and then after that you go to report data panels and click on dataset and then drag and drop. This is item name, unit price and quantity. Then also I need to add one column like insert column right and then total price. So here you can see you have designed the report and you can also format it. Now go click on preview. So here you can see that your report will be displayed. according to your query. Now here we want to change the font color, change the font color of this column based upon the value. So we need apply here switch conditions. So again go to design. Also you can format like first column will be bold, and then after need to apply like select this one. That after that you will go to properties. So here you can see color font like black. Now click on this, then go to expressions. In expression here you can see different inbuilt function are there, like common function text, date time math inspections, program flow. Here you can see switch statement and if only if. So I will apply this switch statement here, and switch statement you can see the logic here. Example like value R field set WA was singleton. Here you can see that. But we apply our own logic. So already we applied. So copy this switch statement, paste this one. So this is switch statement, and according to value means total price greater than 10, less than 20, green, 20, dark, orange, 30. Now click on. So here you can see switch condition will be applied. Now again go to preview. That's done. So here you can see after applying the switch condition in font color, so like value will be changed like this green, red, and which condition not apply, it will be simply black and red again, green again, and orange. So that's the way we can change the font. So that's why we can change the font color of this column based upon the value using the switch step. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.